The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
I hear there's a dust storm coming to the Caribbean. A huge dust storm from the Sahara. How did the dust from the Sahara reach the Caribbean so quick? That means Africa is closer than they tell you. Question everything. Everything is a blasted lie. I had an auntie that worked for the airline, Air Jamaica to be specific, for many years. And right before she retired, the pilots told her, direct flight to Africa is only 3.5 hours from Barbados. So why we have forgot Europe, forgot Africa? Those blasted witches. Why they send us to Italy and London and Europe? Forgot we over here so, forgot Africa so. You have a question that? Yes, my beloveds. 3.5 hour flight. That's what the pilots told us. Directly from Barbados. So, we should be focusing on setting up a hub in Barbados. So that we have our own plane. Why are the airlines, Ethiopia Airlines, flying up in Europe? Ask yourself that. Why is Air Ghana and all these other West African airlines picking us up in the West, taking us up, way up at Europe, to sit down for hours and hours to go to Africa, when it's only 3.5 hour direct flight from Barbados? Is it something they don't want us to see over the sea? I currently see they are making money, currency, off of our ignorancy. So get with it. Question everything. This is a time of revelation. You know, see what I go on. Dash for everything you learn and start relearn. Don't say it's bullshit. Bullshit is good, you know. Because at least bullshit, you can recycle it. Bull filth is good for your farm and your garden, your compost. But it's the man shit. That is what you're supposed to be worried about. That is the thing that is filthy and it cannot be recycled and it's toxic and hurting our belly. So look it up. And let us scream and march. Go ahead, you can do that. I'll build my own. But in the meantime, how about we get some pilots and set up a hub in Barbados so that we can have direct flight to Africa? Because our indigenous people used to trade with the motherland for many years. Did you know there's a trade winds that even the dolphins follow? That our ancestors told us when they put their canoe and their boat, it took them directly to Africa. You don't even need a sail on your ship. How you think them slave ships used to travel so quickly over here? Back then they didn't have the technology we had now. So how did slaves so-called reach over here so quickly? Because Africa is closer than they're telling you. Because the Mercator map that they teach us in school is a bunch of filth. Look it up. Question everything. Relearn, 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 reteach, reteach, reteach. Scrub your brain, scrub your brain, scrub your brain. Nothing wrong with brainwashing. See? Nothing wrong with brainwashing. If you wash your brain for come again. Come again, selector. Stop lying to the people and teach the children the truth. Africa is closer. Let us do that, a project. Let us consult some pilots that are on our side. Okay? And I don't want to hear nothing the European and the colonial man say. I don't even care if he's on my side. You've been speaking with forked tongue for many years. So even if you're doing us good, be quiet right now and you can help. But you can't come on the inside and help. Let us build our own thing first. Let us regain our sense of dignity and self-reliance. His Imperial Majesty gave us the Ethiopian World Federation, our own government. It was only for people of color. Whites could not join, but they could help. You can't say that it was a racist thing. No, it wasn't. Because he said he wanted the black race to feel the exhilaration of finally building something for ourselves so that we had no excuse. And then we could integrate with the rest of the world. But if we've never gotten an opportunity to build anything for ourselves, it's not the time to integrate. It's a time to help. It's a time to support. Yes, but it's not the time to integrate on the inner circle of the black race because we are healing and we need to get ourselves together first. So now watch the face, don't take no offense. We love all people. We say fire for all down presser. Fire for all black and white down presser. And no matter. All nation, kindred and tongue deserve equal rights and justice or they're going to get judgment. Remember me tell you that. So let us research and learn. How far is Africa really from us if the dust storm is coming to the Caribbean from the Sahara? I already tell you, I give you homework for do. Put your comments below. All right? You may know some pilots below. I love your Rastafari TV. I'm only here to stir up the water. Because if you're drinking some water or some drinks in a cup and you don't realize until Sister Fanai stir it up that there are dregs and poison in it, they can throw it away. Some people say my mouth too big. Me coming like bad dog. But when thief come in your yard, you gotta say, bark, bad dog, bark. What good? Love, love, love. Rastafari TV.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I just presented to you a video, and this video shows a female who said some things that gave me the understanding that she's saying that Africa is not as far away from the Caribbean as we think or as we had been told. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and she went on to talk about other things as well, now viewers and subscribers. You see me? And you know, some of the things that she had said, I think that some of the things that she had said is interesting to me. You understand? Now, this video is out on social media and it's being talked about on social media. Comments had been made about this video on social media, and I bring this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear for yourself some of the things that this female had said, and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that she had said. All right, you can let me know if you believe some of the things that she had said or if you don't believe, and you can also let me know if she's correct about some of the things that she had said or if she's not correct. All right, in my point of view, I am not going to say that she's not correct, but at the same time, I am not going to say that she's correct because, you know, I have not done a research for myself to say, yes, it is true or not. I can't say that. You understand? But again, some of the things that she had said, I think it sounds interesting, and I bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear for yourself. All right? Yeah, let me know what you think. Now, I'm going to move on to another video right about now, viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show the Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Sizzla Kalonji. And Sizzla Kalonji did a video, and this video is out on social media. You know, this video shows Sizzla speaking out against things that are considered to be bad things. He's speaking out against violence against women. He's speaking out against child abuse. And you know, he's speaking out against other things as well. He also mentioned the Black Lives Matters and All Lives Matters as well, you know, and other things have been said. All right. Now, anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, I am going to present this video to you because it is out on social media and it's being talked about on social media. Comments have been made about this video on social media, and I bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can hear some of the things that Sizzla Kalonji had said. And you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that he had said. All right? All right. Now, here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Selassie Jah Rastafari. Yeah. All praise to the Most High, to the world. Hear me now. Please, don't be dubious about the powers of black people rising. We've been risen. We're the ones who have long paved the way of civilization through the divine intelligence of the Almighty, through the human family. It's a beautiful day. Get a breath of fresh air, and now you're off to a good start. And therefore, as Sizzla Kalonji, you know, I speak out against racism, speak out against prejudice, speak out against hate, grudge, bad mind, ill feelings. Speak out against the violence and the killings. Speak out against human trafficking. Speak out against children abduction. Speak out against pedophilia. Speak out against raping of our women. Speak out against slavery in its covert continuity. Speak out against miseducation, the tax system milking us the people, putting the money to no use. Speak out against child abuse, woman abuse. Yeah? Speak out against hunger. Speak out against everything that's bad affecting us as a nation of people. Yes, black lives matters. All lives matters. So hear me now. Judgment yard to the world. Holy Emmanuel, Selassie Jah Rastafari. We speak out against the drugs being pumped in our community, destroying our children and families. Think about a bright future for your children and stop being cruel to other people. Respect other human beings. Social media, be careful. Social distance. Rastafari. Love is the power of life. not money. People are the treasures of this planet, not your weapons. One love, Rastafari. Judgment Yard in full action. See you, Muyeso. Banging.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright, let me know what you think about the two videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.